If you're looking for ways to save on that cable bill, live TV subscription services, video on demand, new movies, new TV series, old movies, old TV series, stay tuned for my full review of the vSeeBox Elite Mini. All right, now we're going to go through the setup of this unit right here. So it's going to be very simple. It's easy to set up. As you can see in the background, I'm just going to do it and then you can see how simple this is. Now, for those that don't know what this box is, this is a little box that you purchase one time. This gives you full access to live TV channels from multiple networks, from all of your paid services, all the way to your pay-per-views, to your video on demand services like Apple, Netflix, Hulu, Paramount, just about any service provider can be found. All of their shows are on this unit. I'm not allowed to show you on YouTube exactly what this box can do because it would be like a violation of their policy. So I'm not able to do it on YouTube, but we do have a Rumble channel and I'm going to link that below. I'm also going to put a link where you can actually purchase the box here because I can do that. But this box is loaded with just about everything that you could possibly want. It does have a Wi-Fi connection. Of course, it's easy to connect Wi-Fi or wired. Either way works wonderful. I always use them wireless myself. But if you're looking to save money, this thing has over-the-air updates that have free for life of the unit. So be sure to check that link out below. Check out the full Rumble video. If you're watching this on YouTube, just know you'll have to go over to Rumble to be able to see the full video. And I want to go ahead and point out, we do get a couple of questions that pop up in our comments section about these units. This unit's right here. The vSeeBox is my preferred favorite unit to actually use. I think it's very user friendly, very intuitive. It's not got a lot of hiccups at all. They've added some with these newer upgraded ones for 2025. You're going to see a lot of these are coming out as elites. Now, the Elite Mini, it has all your same features. It's got the 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabyte ROM, it's Bluetooth, dual band Wi-Fi, Android 12.0, and automatic system updates over the air. Now, with that being said, you can actually see this is where you go in and update your actual software to see if there's any new stuff. We can't click on anything in here because we don't want to violate any kind of terms. You can see there is a ton of stuff in here. Now, here in a moment, we're going to go ahead and go and download the App Store. I want you guys to see what is in the App Store. If you go ahead and follow us over on Rumble, you'll be able to see we'll be doing part 2 of this video. This is just a one-part series to kind of show you all what is available on this box for you to actually pick up and use. These are just little side extras in this little app area. So just so you all know, everything is loaded on the main screen, and how you install those is you'll just hover over them and click. To keep within guidelines, we cannot click on YouTube. So remember, go over to Rumble. You can see exactly what these apps can bring you and how well they can save you money over the course of even a couple of months. So be sure to check that out. I'm going to post links again down below to Rumble. I'm also going to post links to make purchase for this box and use the code MAD10. That's going to save you 10% and give you 2 to 3 days shipping. Guys, this has been the Mad Review. I'll see you guys over on Rumble for the full video.